Purojekiti jetongozibwe nyumwebazyo neza kumaraho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni $1 ya sente za Amerika kandi sente ezi no biyambo kurwa mu Gavumenti ya China
Uganda friendship.
Purojekiti neza kubera mu kugabira empungi ziri kwika emitwaro 26 ebyo kurya bikombe ko mubiri omyanya yibari kwikiramu omuza kampu eya Nakivale hamwe na Changwari. Ambassador wa China mu Uganda abira ryo mugenyi mukuru hamukorogu ajwekile Zhang Xiaoping arukora nka second secretary omu embassy ya China mu Uganda.
By commissioning this distribution, we are ensuring that China's promise is delivered directly into the hands of those in greatest needs. China maintains that conflicts and violence are the root causes of large-scale displacement. The international community should prioritize promoting ceasefires and political settlements and provide stronger support to refugee hosting countries like Uganda.
Senchima Stephen, Deputy Country Director of Fin Church Aid in Uganda, ekitongole kirwa obujunanizibwa bwo kutomu nkora purojekiti asimire nkoregana nungi eri hagati ya Gavumenti ya Uganda na China eresero buyambo obu.
Nga sente zino tugenda kuzikozesa okugulira emmere abantu emitwalo 26 ba refugees. Emmere eno egenda kugulibwa oba egenda okugabibwa gabibwa we batuukira aba refugees nga bakatuuka okusobola okubateekera ekitekero ky'okulya ekyamangu kubanga abamu bayise ebbanga bamaze ennaku nnyingi nga tebalya. So emmere eno egenda kugulibwa eteekebwere ku reception center. So leero kye tubadde tukola wali kwe kukola omukolo ogw'enjawulo ogw'okutongoza okugaba emmere. Era tuleese emmere tani 3 ez'emmere. Mulimu emmere ng'egattibwamu soya n'obulo. Emmere nesobola okuyamba okuzimba omubiri amangu ba refugees.
Abajenya bakora hamukoro ogu nabo basimira obuhwezo obu.
China Emergency Humanitarian Assistance Project becomes highly relevant. With the sincere appreciation to the People's Republic of China, this project provides timely and critical short-term relief. While it may not address all the existing gaps, it will significantly support government efforts to respond to the current emergency.
Today, Uganda hosts over 2 million refugees from 34 countries, and these figures are not just statistics as they reflect the scale of responsibility that Uganda continues to shoulder on behalf of the international community.
I want to start by saying that Nakivale has been severely affected by the reduction in humanitarian funding. This was the case in 2025 and 2026. And because of this reduction in funding, I want to say that no sector was really spared. All the sectors were impacted, from service delivery to staffing. This also affected the refugees and as well as the host community that we have around this settlement.
Abebembezi ba district ya Isingiro hamwe n'empungi basimire purojekiti bagumize nguneza kuyamba munonga kuchendeza ebizubu eby'empungi zitwire nizarabamu.
I thank the government of Uganda under the leadership of His Excellency Museveni for partnering with those countries that those refugees should seek asylum in Uganda and have a good stay in this country. I thank the Office of the Prime Minister in a special way for supporting the refugees who are not only here in Nakivale but all over where they are. I can't take it for granted. The Office of the Prime Minister has contributed greatly towards the development not only of the refugees but also of the host communities.
We are looking forward to see this support impacting the lives of refugees. We thank you and thank you very much.
Gasha kwa Abdu Kalim Sengendo.